Buldak challenge. It's not that bad.
Is it because there's a lot of water?
I mean, it's pretty drained. What does the water have to do with it?
Well, it makes it less spicy.
Really? How so?
I mean, after you eat something spicy, what do you drink?
Yeah, but I don't drink hot sauce. I mean, there's no water.
No. I'm not telling you to drink hot sauce. I'm just saying.
Are you listening to this?
I'm saying.
Craziness. Pure craziness.
I'm saying after.
Just so you guys, there's not a lot of water in here, okay?
I'm saying.
I'm being misjudged. Not that bad. 4 out of 10.